It doesn't matter how good of a painter you are. No good paint job lasts forever. And around my busy house, there always seems to be something that needs to be touched up. And I've diligently taken all of our paint and labeled it, decanted it, make it easier to store. But when I saw this touch-up pen from Slobproof, where the paint can stay fresh in the little touch-up pen for 7 years, that might make it easier to touch up baseboards and the entry door that always seem to need a little dab of paint here and there. So let's try it out and see how it works.